First of all, thank you very much for kind introduction and also giving me a very nice chance to introduce our new technology. Maybe this technology might give us one of the solution this region right now facing the problem. So actually our company has been developed brand new micro power fuel gasification power plant concept. So micro power means that maximum the power plant capacity is 10 megawatt. So we can produce, for example, 1 to 10 megawatt power plant, especially for the fuel gasification method approach by using for microwave steam plasma technology. Actually, in this conference, I attended the first time, and then from yesterday to today, so many speakers talking about the solar energy, the wind energy, hybrid system, combined with the battery technology. Maybe this technology is one of the alternative solutions. We have to change our paradigm to look at the current situation. So the fuel gasification technology, this is not a brand new technology. It has been already commercialized. For example, General Electric, Siemens, and Shell, they already commercialized, and then this power plant is already built up and then operation in US and China. The fuel gasification technology to generate the power is more or less green technology, because when you look at this slide compared to the conventional coal power plant, comparison with the coal gasification process, the coal gasification process, they can produce 2 times of power. For example, the gas turbine to make the power, and then the burning of the gas to the gas turbine, they emit a lot of heat. By using for this heat, they can also turn the steam turbine to make the power. So this fuel gasification technology is somehow better, superior the efficiency of the power generation compared to the conventional coal power plant technology. This slide shows a typical the IGCC, the coal gasification power plant process. As you look at this coal power plant process, the process consists of the four process. One is the fuel pre-treatment system. Second process is the gasification. Third is the gas cleaning process. Fourth is power generation process. But this currently commercialized coal gasification process, when you look at the operation condition, is 10 to 30 the atmosphere, very high pressure, and then the temperature is around 1,000 to 1,700 Celsius. You know that I already told you that a couple of the coal gasification power plant is commercialized. For example, in US, Shell, they built up the 700 megawatt coal power plant. Siemens, 600 megawatt coal power plant. Normally, they are conventional IGCC power plant. When you look at the operation condition, 30 atmosphere and then high temperature, total investment cost is very, very high. In Korean government, also in Korea, the government funding the 1.2 billion US dollar to build up the 300 megawatt coal gasification power plant in Korea. So 300 megawatt power plant in the coal gasification power plant is just pilot scale. So small size of power plant, they do not give any economic feasibility. But our technology, together with the Korea National Institute, we have to develop the coal gasification, fuel gasification technology by using the steam plasma, microwave steam plasma. If using the microwave steam plasma, the operation condition is we can reduce to 1 atmosphere, and then also temperature, operation temperature is 1600 Celsius, normally 14 to 1600 Celsius. Based on this condition, we can accomplish the very small, compact, the power plant, high efficiency fuel gasification power plant in the range of the 1 megawatt to the 10 megawatt power plant. Based on this compact power plant, we strongly believe that recognize the isolate the area dispersed power plant concept everywhere. So actually basic target market of this technology for development is actually the India, Mongolia, the Sri Lanka, Laos, where has plenty of the low-grade coal or biomass, and then municipal waste also, garbage. We are focusing on target to develop this market to export this power plant this way. But yesterday I come up with our local government official together with us to address whether this technology may be suitable in this region or not. So I have a time to discuss about, I have to present this technology. This slide shows that this is typical microwave plasma torch. So actually inside of the temperature is 3000 Celsius. The above the small the flame, this is typical arc torch. We used currently commercialized plasma technology is by using for arc torch. When using for microwave plasma torch, you can reduce the power consumption around 200 times. So very economical the plasma technology which has been developed by the Korean national government, national R&D center. So this is the typical picture of the plasma gasification technology when you look at in the bottom. So we using for combustion of the fuel by using for steam. Steam is oxidant to when the steam is decomposing the high temperature, they give us a small, very active oxygen. This oxygen roll to the combust of the fuel. And then we put in the coal or biomass or municipal waste or whatever, or mix together. So we generate to make the gasification. So our process, the plasma enhanced, the fuel gasification process is identical to the conventional coal gasification or fuel gasification process. Our process is also consists of the 4 processes. The first process is the fuel pre-treatment process. Second is gasification process. Third is the gas screening process. Fourth is the power generation process. Only difference from our technology compared to the conventional technology is the gasification process. The conventional gasification process they are using for high pressure and then high temperature, but our case is we are assist of the microwave plasma, we make the gasification. So one of the strong points of our technology compared to the solar technology or wind power technology, our case is we can supply the steam and the power. We can supply the power or we can supply power and the steam, both. So one of our Mongolian clients, they ask us they need more steam compared to the power. Then in this case, we can reduce the power generation and then to bring the steam to house warming and then so on. This picture shows that the lab scale, full scale, the plasma gasification power plant, which is located in our Korean National Institute. This one is a 125 kilowatt gasification power plant, which is located in Korea, but this development is sponsored by the Korean government R&D fund. This picture is our company has a 600 kilowatt demo plant. This is the layout of our power plant. You can see that the gasification, swirl gasifier, and then heat exchanger, back filter. This is conventional. This is typical setup of the coal gasification power plant by using for plasma technology. This is the typical picture, and then this is the very crucial technology for the gasification. This is microplasma torch. You can see that this box is power supplier, which gives us the microwave, and then you can see the small thing is this is the plasma torch. The bottom is they give us the steam, and then this steam is decomposing the plasma flame to the hydrogen and oxygen. Then on the top to give us the coal to gasify. So in this case, as I told you, that you can either using for biomass, coal, municipal waste, or mix together, whatever. This is the typical operation temperature. It is 1600 Celsius inside reactor. This is the monitoring of the overall operation. And then we are right now constructing of the 3 megawatt biomass commercial plant in Korea. So this 3 megawatt biomass commercial plant will be complete sometime next year. Thank you very much.